All right, so meet Michael Brown. They call him Tony. I have a brother whose name is Michael, and I call him Tony. So maybe I'm a brother this too. And he's this year's Grace Kennedy Heather Little White Household Worker of the Year. By the way, there were two, and the female household worker is Rosemary Forrester. But we are highlighting the great and wonderful. What do you want me to call you? Michael or Tony?
Some people call me Tony.
What do you want me to call you?
Call me Tony.
All right, Tony.
Yeah.
Great to meet you. Welcome to Smile Jamaica.
So I'm welcome.
Hope you had a great little Christmas.
Sure, I did.
So how this work now? You were nominated by your boss, and your boss tell them, say, you're the greatest man in the world. How this work?
I don't know.
How this
but
work?
It spoke highly about me, you know?
Yeah.
Which I didn't realize that they admire me that much.
What you do for this household? What you do for them?
Everything. I do painting, I do landscaping. I see that everything around the property okay.
How long you been working with this?
Over 36 years now.
Over 36 years?
Yes.
So you started before you lost the hand, or?
I started before I lost the hand.
Yeah?
Yeah, before I lost the hand.
With the hand? You can share the story?
Sometimes I have to go back. You
no,
know,
you don't have to if you don't want
but
to.
It's awful.
Yeah.
Okay. Awful, you know.
Okay.
Is a caretaker did me like do me like.
You didn't get no little thing and that go on.
Yes, you know, it's a thing. You Jamaican phrase is a bad mind attitude.
Yeah.
Is that it cause out of that? Out of the bad mind it becomes this.
Yeah.
All of this, you know.
But so what I want to take it from that point to now, because that happened, but Tony was still able to say, look, man.
Oh.
Work have to do and life have to go on. Talk to me about that attitude.
The attitude where I got it from?
Yes.
My children, mom, and my children.
Oh, nice.
They were young, you know. And as a father, you love your children, you want to see them grow up, right? So you don't care about the hand, you just want to know that everything all right. You want to know to put some food on the table. Them going to school. And your children, mommy, when you love your kids' mom, you know, you don't want to be hungry or beg anybody anything and worry ahead. So you try to put the best out. So that strength comes from the family, my own family.
Wow.
The kids and the mom.
But how difficult was it for you to continue to do the things that
it was
you needed
difficult, man. It was very difficult. A lot of things. I ride a motorcycle now, and I drive as well.
No?
Yeah.
You're right-handed?
I'm right-handed.
Before? Or
no,
it forced you to...
my life.
Oh, all right. So it was a little bit easier for you then because you were right-handed?
Yes.
Yeah.
Talk to me about it, because as never said, you know, most people in their household work, Tony, them think women, you know.
You're supposed to do that.
Yeah. And then yesterday I was saying to some guys, gentlemen, all work is honest work, you know.
Yes, ma'am.
Once it's honest. So talk to me about this profession and really what it means to you. You've been in it for 36 years.
Yes. What it means to me.
Yeah.
You have to, first of all, you have to love what you're doing, you know. You know, such as the landscaping. And you have to like see your surrounding looking good. You see when you have that feeling to see that things look nice and spruce up and nice. You keep that way.
So you have to personally invested in the work where you do?
Of course.
Yeah.
Of course, because when you look in the house, I like to see things shiny and nice and clean. I don't like to see dirty things, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
And around the yard, I like plants. Plants make me feel good inside. So I always try to put plants around. And I wanted it to work, you know, because when you love a caretaker, you know, Mr. Evans, Mrs. Evans, I always want to make them feel happy when they come home. And I don't know if I repay them as a poor person, but by the plants, the bougainvilleas and the plants, I put them in. And when they see these colors, probably it might make the heart feel good.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
No, it's a fantastic story.
Yes.
Fantastic story.
Thank you.
Yeah.
How did you feel when you heard that you won? Did you expect?
No, I was expecting. It was so joyful. It was great.
Yeah.
Indeed, it was refreshing. Refreshing.
Yeah.
I never won anything in my life.
Wow.
And so you can't imagine what this means to me and my family.
Yeah.
My family as
Kids
well.
are proud.
Yeah, I'm a children mom because our family, you know, when you lost your hand, people might say to you, say, when can do it? Leave him alone, man, because leave that man, because I'm not serving no purpose to you no more. But when I see what I did, trying to build a house, trying to take care of children, the one and see, trying to live and take care of their sister, I'm proud of me now. and it make me feel good inside.
Oh, so we're proud of you too.
Thank you too.
Look like you out for me want to start all ball this morning. But I did it in We are very, very proud of you.
Thank you very much, man. Thank
It is
you.
great to meet you.
It's great to meet you
And an
too.
amazing spirit. Where you get the spirit from? I know you said the kids and the kids, man, but it must be coming from somewhere, Tony. Where you from originally?
I'm a Kingstonian. My
You're
mom
a
is from
Kingstonian.
Manchester.
Yeah.
A place called, local district called Armans District. You can go right to Armans, go to Poros.
Oh,
But she
okay.
came to come to Kingston and meet my dad. He's a Greenwich farmer.
All right.
Third Street Greenwich farmer. And so become.
That's how you become. Because you have this wonderful spirit about you.
The spirit about me, I come now. I get it from my mom. My mom was like that. Some people, I don't have the same complexion as my mom, you know.
Yeah.
Even the hand one last, you know, it's color cast like.
Wow.
My child have the same color as like his grandma.
Oh.
Because she brown, red Manchester woman, she
Yeah.
have red hair, freckles in her face and
And your
skin,
child
right?
come like
so
her.
Christopher look just like his grandma. So that's how the argument started. Because my children's mom is dark like me. So Christopher look just like his grandma.
I see where
like
it's going.
my sisters, you
I
know?
see where it's going. I see where it went. I see where it went.
Jacket argument and stupid
Yeah, I see where it
stupid
went.
argument.
But
Yeah.
keep on doing what you're doing.
Oh, I never stop doing.
Yeah, man.
It's, you have to hold on to yourself, you know. Can't give up, you
I
know.
have one more question still. I try to figure out how you ride the bike still. Because you have to change
Simple.
gear and all kind
Simple.
of stuff. Oh.
Me lick gear in my bike, man. Eh? Yes, man, like a real man, you know. Me clutch on, me miss my clutch on, but I still use it. My gear on is my gear on too. Some people call it your muggling hand.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Love it. Great to meet you.
Thank you
And
very much.
God bless
yeah.
you.
Thank
All the best
Thank
and to
so
you and
much.
your family.
Thank you,
and-
Delia.
Yeah,
All right.
It's nice to meet you in person too.
Yeah,
It's
man.
a
Nice.
wonderful experience.
Nice to meet
It's
you
an
in
honor to
person.
meet you.
Delighted, you know?
It's
Yes,
an
man.
honor to meet you.
Thank you, Deborah.
Respect.
Thank you, bro.
Respect.
Great.
Grace Kennedy / Heather Little White Household Work of the Year, Michael Brown.
Nice.
Thank
How
you
much do you know about the Sagicor Foundation's Community Health Tour? Well, they've packaged this one for you, so take a look.
Spending time shaping lives is brought to you by the Sagicor Foundation. The Sagicor Foundation has made health a primary focus of its mission.
Sagicor has always gone the extra mile, and we appreciate this company very, very much.
Sagicor's vision of improving the lives of the people in the communities in which we operate was brought into sharp focus when the Sagicor Mobile Wellness Unit traveled across 9 parishes for its community health tour.
We decided to do free health checks across the island at 9 of our locations.
The wellness bus went to Montego Bay, Mandeville, Ocherias, Black River, Savannah Lamar, Portmore, Maypen, Spanish Town, and last stop, Kingston.
They came out in their numbers and they were just really happy about what we were doing.
I really appreciate how Sagicor is taking interest in our health.
Over 6,000 lives were touched through access to eye examinations and blood pressure, sugar, and blood cholesterol tests.
As little as it may seem, there are plenty of persons who can't afford basic health services. So with our wellness unit, it makes it simple and easy. We're mobile, we just go into our locations, have persons come out, and in no time they have their checks and they're ready to go.
Wow, I'm 60, but my result come out like 16.
The community health tour had quite an impact.
Everyone is very excited to be here. We've had a lot of elderly people. We've had a few young persons stop by. Everybody just wants to ensure that their health is in order.
Health is very important because without health, it's like you're empty. When you have health, you have everything.
All were appreciative of the ease of access and service provided.
Experience was very good. It was timely, not very long, and the nurses were very good.
The nurses and the ones that meet you and write your name, they were so nice and everything.
11. But I can't see one on the cross one.
Do you have high blood pressure? Not the time, no.
This free health check means a lot because there are times when you don't really know what's happening in your body. So getting a free health check allows you to realize what is really happening and without the cost.
I'm diabetic And I found out, because I'm here now, that it's high. So definitely it's good so that I can go now and have myself checked out.
Something like this means a lot because there are a lot of people around May Pen who cannot afford to get blood pressure, cholesterol, blood sugar, eye, vision done at the same time. So it means a lot to May Pen, having it for free.
So I advise all these people just come and get your, because you can never know what may take place, and these are help. You know, if you can't afford it privately, you can get it done by these people, and you know, it's a good thing.
We think we had a very successful tour, and it's something that we look forward to doing in the years to come.
Thanks for your good service in the banking and the health sector. Thank you. Have a blessed day.
Through caring, inspiring, and serving, Sagicor Group Jamaica is committed to giving back to our community, and that is entrenched in our vision to be a great company, committed to improving the lives of the people in the communities in which we operate.
Spending Time Shaping Lives was brought to you by the Sagicor Foundation.